I'm very wondered that every ecom guru on the YouTube, they are misguiding the new dropshippers, and they are giving the wrong information about the winning product. They always say to find a good winning product, you have to test 5, 10, 20, even 100 products. So this is very very bad news, and I'm very very surprised that how beginner dropshipper will be fail, how fast. So my friend, in this video I will share with you only 5 to 6 steps. If you follow, then definitely you will find a good product. You don't need 1,000 products. And if you hear or if you follow their rules, definitely your money, your time, your belief, your desired outcome, everything will be destroyed. So I want to share with you every step by step. Just hear my rules, my systems, my criteria, then you will research on internet. And my systems, I can guarantee you, I can promise you, nobody didn't share on YouTube yet. Okay, so first step called the golden grad criteria. So number one criteria is the problem solving. You find a product that is really really problem solving, and you will be the customer. You will always think as a customer, not a dropshipper. You are a customer, okay? So when you will see a product, you will think that, does this product actually need me? Will this product change my life? Will this product add me more value, more happier? Really? And then when you will match this, so after you feel or after you think there's things that is a really problem solver products, then this criteria is okay. Then you will go to the next criteria. So taps into a strong emotion or desire. For example, you found a pet products, and you are a pet owners. You will think that these pet products will really helpful for my pets, for my dogs, for my cats. And also you will see that in the local market, is this product available? For example, in your nearest local market, Walmart, Amazon, or others, if is this product available? But this is the systems that people are confusing, that if local market have this product, so why I will test this product? If you don't find this product on local market, then this is 100% a good product. But if you find in local market, but you will see that on social media, how many people are selling these products, what is a gap market. For example, in your countries it's available, but in the other countries, for example in Italy, in France, if not, how you will find the meta ads? You will search the by product keyword. If one, two, or five, maximum five dropshipper are selling these products, then this is a good product. You can beat them, you can test with new angles, new marketing. Okay, so this is a product number two criteria. Okay, and number three criteria is aha wow factor. So you are scrolling TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, you find a product, and you instantly stopped because of the video. The video surprised you, and you didn't see this product before, and this product's really feeling more benefit in your real life, in your family, in your so then you can test this product. And next step is the market demand and dynamics. Okay, so how you will make sure that this is a very very good market demand product? How? Number one is you will go to TikTok and other social media platform, that if these products, any other relevant products making good sales. Okay, and what is the comment people are asking about the product? This is not product, you will see the relevant product, similar product. Okay, and you will come with a newer version, your product is a newer version, you will start marketing with new angle, new strategy. Okay, and also you will see the Google trends by the product or the niche specific. Then if the Google trends is always is growing, then this is a good product. And last things is that the product long availability, not is short time. So I see a lot of brand making dropshipping business 5 even 10 years right now they're doing business. They don't focus on viral products, trending products, because focus on always needs, not trends. Trends definitely will dry in short time. You can sell anything on dropshipping, by selling an actual need product. You can sell t-shirt, you can sell pen, you can sell computer, you can sell books. But if you can build a brand, okay, only two things people are fail in dropshipping. Number one is the product is sucks. Number two is the marketing is very very bad. So if you can build a brand, even if you start selling a saturated product, you can make millions of dollars, okay, no problem. So my friend, these are the main criteria that always find or always thinks you are a customer, not a dropshipper. And then you will find product that is this product actually need you, okay, and then you just match the criteria that this is a wow factor, this is not available in local market, if available other markets is not, and also if available you will build a brand store, more marketing angle, just add. And next step is wow factor, you can scale this product by long availability, okay. So these are the things, okay my friend. And don't be change the product. If you match this all criteria and then find a product, then just start testing, okay. And give Facebook, TikTok or Google at least 7 to 10 days, and they will find your right audience, okay. Then they will give you more orders. Please don't be upset within 3 to 4 days that my ads lost, my money is lost, this is a bad product. No my friend, just match the criteria, then start a product, scale it, testing it, and give the algorithm Facebook, Google the right time, they will give you the good sales, okay. And please comment below what product you will test, I will analyze. And if you have any questions, just comment below or contact me by social media, I will help you definitely. Thank you.